Hey Pikachu! Hey Pikachu! Hey! Hey Pikachu! Hey Pikachu! Hey! Hey! Pikachu! Hey!
What? What is it, mate? I'm trying to read the paper.
Hey, yo, is mate. What happened to your voice, mate?
I'm a Kiwi. I'm from freaking New Zealand.
Oh, that's your access. And the plumbers. And the hedgehog.
I told you, we're bananas. Accent? I don't have a hiccup accent.
What the hippo accent? A hippo accent? How?
Hiccup, not a hippo. It's a hiccup. Whoa.
Well, he's like a hungry hippo. A hungry hippo.
Hiccup, it's not funny.
Well, I agree. Well, choked up.
Stop it. Hiccup. Oh man, I don't hiccup. It feels so good. Hiccup.
Are you okay?
Hiccup, 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 hiccup.
What the heck's going on?
Oh no, everybody watch out! He's gonna blow!
What the?
What the heck was that?
Seriously. Oh my god! That was Pikachu. Yeah, the hippos.
Hiccups! He had the hiccups, you idiot!
What? Oh man, that's scary.
What are you talking about? You know, you having hiccups? No? First, the hiccups. They. Don't ever. Uh-oh.
911, what's your emergency?
Yeah, we got an orange with a case of the hiccups here.
Please say again.
I said we have an orange with the hiccups.
Oh no, you're screwed!
Alright, I'm out of ideas.
Oh, bye-bye. Important rules. Just remain calm. Oh! Everybody just shut up! We're not gonna freak out. I hip your tummy.
Dude, it's not a hippo.
It's blowing hippo. Sorry, bro. I want to wave your hippo. Exactly tell you, okay? Okay. It's really simple. I do it. Nice. Okay.
What? Yeah, I heard all he's stand on your head and cross your eyes.
Shouldn't he be humming?
What?
Yeah, I heard all he's got to do is hum the Star Spangled Banner. Works every time.
Orange.
Hiccup, orange.
Whoa, orange.
Are you okay?
Are you okay? I'm gonna turn off the lights. I'm okay.
Crashed and blacked out.
Why should Charlie Brown?
They're gone.
Alright, guys. Here go. Boom. Charlie Brown, it's not your fault.
It could happen to anyone. Look at Kiwi.
I know. It's everywhere. Oh. Now you can stop them.
Oh no. They're getting worse by the second.
Oh, me.
Hey, Orange. I know we just met and all, but
We're really sorry this is happening. Really sorry this is happening to you, Orange. You're such a great...
what's that?
I don't... It kind of sounded like a...
Pay your bus. Huh? Thanks, man. This is delicious. Yeah, I eat Kirby. Man, I'm stuffed. Thank you, Mario. Bye. They're not coping out.
How did that thing get in here?
Well, poor Kirby. They're not back that one.
Get it, enough.
Slip. Turn around. Your hiccups, they're gone. Come back and scare away. Yay!
Now that's
Oh crap.